Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this Pepe update today. My technical target is already met and we're sitting at 13,859 at the moment. What I've been preaching on Pepe has been playing out on every single cylinder. And I think that right now we still have a pending target. We still have the probability and the chances to actually continue a little bit higher, perhaps to 17,000, because yes, Pepe is moving up, but it's not looking as if it wants to stop. And the thing is that I'm going to go here on the daily time frame, and I'm also going to show you the RSI. So the RSI has the room to still climb a little bit more, because if you look at it, the last time you made it to the highest part of the RSI was up to 92 level, and you're sitting at 76.45, and then if you do end up coming up here, I think that's when you might touch the target as well. And then from there it could be a little bit more tricky to see if Pepe is interested to continue to go to the upside or not. So yes, money's been thrown on Pepe. It's if you're having a good time with Pepe, I'm really glad you're having. But the thing is that I'm going to keep it simple. We're going to take the top here to bottom, and wherever this one is taking you out there right now, that's actually even probably up to even 21,000. Okay, but I actually want to see 17,000, and then probably if things get way too bullish, you have these other technical targets coming up in there as well. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.